stop this unusually large man.
Then you're likely doomed.
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done? I think we're jumping back.
The Big Bang!
We gotta get that generator. It's the only power.
We got the generator!
Rocket, get us home.
Rocket, anytime! Okay! Let me try! We're here! It's about time! Of course it is about time! We need to gain attention! Make your start launches! We haven't contained, but not alone. Our world! Well, nobody's perfect! It's Epcot! Remind me to raise our rate!
You're all heroes. Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Did you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
Now I understand. Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.